I hope you guys all had a nice day. Easy Autofix here, and today we're gonna learn symptoms of a bad starter. The purpose of the starter is to turn the engine so that the ECM commands fuel and spark to start the combustion process. The location of the starter will be close to the flywheel or the flex plate of the engine. Here's the location on a Toyota Camry. The first symptom of a bad starter is a no crank, no start. I would say this is one of the most common symptoms correlated to a bad starter. The reason why this happens is due to an internal electrical issue. Either the starter solenoid isn't functioning or the brushes inside the starter are worn out, unable to pass current through the commutator to get the starter turning. A quick tip to help you start your car is to have someone go underneath and smack the starter with a dead blow hammer while someone else turns the key. If you're lucky, smacking the starter can move the brushes to get in better contact with the commutator, passing current through to turn the starter and crank your engine. The second symptom of a bad starter is a one-click sound. You'll try starting the engine, but only hear a one-click sound. The click noise you hear is the solenoid activating the plunger to move the pinion gear outward to touch the flywheel. The reason why the starter isn't turning could be due to an internal electrical issue within it. The third symptom you could be experiencing with your car is a slow crank when starting. The reason for this could be due to a poor contact between the brush and the commutator, restricting the right amount of current needed to produce the motor's full torque to turn the engine. The fourth symptom could be hearing the starter running, but not the engine. Basically, you'll just hear the starter free spinning. This happens if the starter's turning on, but the pinion gear isn't moving out to connect to the flywheel or flex plate to rotate the engine. The fifth symptom you could be experiencing is hearing a grinding noise while cranking. The reason behind this could be due to a damaged pinion gear. If it's defective, when in motion with the flywheel or flex plate, it will make a grinding noise. Now before concluding it's the starter, make sure to check the battery is good and the connections are free of corrosion. To help you guys out, here's a list of other possibilities that can have similar symptoms to a bad starter. Fantastic! We just learned symptoms of a bad starter. I hope you guys learned something new today. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to check out the Auto Symptoms playlist, like and subscribe so I can see you in the next video.